my aero garden, and right now I am growing tomatoes. It's not cherry tomatoes, just regular tomatoes. I just dropped in some seeds from a rotting tomato into these little pods. So I put a couple of seeds in one of these. These ones you can buy from Amazon once it's used up. So I think this one, there's a few chive seeds, but I don't know why it's not growing. There's another one here also. So that's chives. It looks like it's getting moldy. I'm not sure why. Here I have parsley or cilantro, actually cilantro. I was growing salads here before and fed them to my guinea pigs. So now I'm just growing tomatoes and cilantro here. I have 2 pots with cilantro. So that's how it looks like right now. This aerogarden I got for Christmas from my boyfriend. He knows I love gardening, and here at the apartment, of course, you know, we can't grow anything in like dirt except for potted plants. So I'm very happy with my aero garden. This tomato is growing like crazy. Thick stems. Very thick stems. This is my pinky. Almost as big as my pinky. And usually I just remove the little growths so that you know, it'll have more energy. So here are some flowers. Let's see. Flowers. I don't know whatever happened to the other ones. I guess they just fell off the plant. Oh, there's more here. I think it's harder to grow a tomato garden indoors. It's better outside, of course, because of the natural sun. It's like a monster tomato. And this came with it, liquid plant food. See, and it tells you how long it's been growing. So I guess over 50 days already. I have to change the time on the clock. So I'm just showing my aerogarden. I'm not like, you know, trying to advertise anything. And this button, sometimes it blinks red when it's telling you to refill the water. See? So the water has to be up to that line there. It's okay to overfill it with water, but not to, you know, have very little, because the roots grow like crazy and it's actually running out of space in there. So the roots are growing like crazy. Okay, it's very easy to use. Also, when it needs more plant food, this will blink red and it will tell you to add plant food on the screen. Also, when it needs water, it will tell you to add water. So it's pretty cool. So that's how it looks like. And the lights are really, really bright, so I try not to stare into it. I want to get blind. Sorry, it's dark in here. This is the only light I have right now. It's so big. I just have it on a bar stool. Running out of space in here. Okay. I'm just probably going to end up pulling them out because I don't see any fruit growing. Just flowers, and then it stops growing for some reason. I don't know. I might just replace these with so I'm gonna replace it with a new pod and put different kind of seed in it. That's how the roots look like now. I can't even remove this thing. I don't want to hurt the plant. Let's see. So I was growing Paris Island in this pod, and then after I just pulled out this and replaced it and put the tomato seeds in it, and that's how I started growing this. Actually, you want another aerogarden. I want to grow maybe herbs in one and salads in another. Okay, like I said, this is not for advertisement. I'm not selling anything or telling you guys to buy what I have. I am just showing you what I am growing and how crazy these tomato plants are and how monstrous they are. Okay, so I will update you guys later on. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you later. Have a good day. Bye.